POV. Meaning of POV. POV stands for point of view. It refers to the perspective or angle from which a story, event, or situation is viewed or narrated. It can be in the first person, second person, or third person. It plays a crucial role in literature, film, and media as it shapes the way a story is told and the way the audience perceives it. Example sentences. Sentence 1. The POV in the book is in the first person, making it easy for the reader to connect with the main character. Sentence 2. The POV in the movie is in the third person, allowing the audience to see the story from a different perspective. Sentence 3. Changing the POV in the story can change the way the audience perceives the events and characters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.